Astronomer IO review. Is it worth it? So, what is Astronomer IO? It is a company that offers Astro, a data orchestration platform built on Apache Airflow to help businesses manage and streamline their data pipelines. It provides a managed service for Airflow, allowing data teams to focus on building and running data pipelines without the overhead of managing their underlying infrastructure. So, what are the reviews? It receives generally positive reviews for its workflow management and ease of use, particularly for large scale data pipelines. However, some reviews highlight concerns about their leadership and company culture. Users praise Astronomer for abstracting the complexities of managing Airflow, particularly the DevOps aspects, allowing data teams to focus on their core tasks. Customers report that Astro is well suited for handling large workloads and provides a stable platform for their data pipelines. It has a user friendly interface, a strong support, with many reviewers highlighting the knowledgeable and supportive nature of Astronomer's teams. However, its negative aspects include its company culture concerns. Some reviews on Glassdoor report issues with leadership, pressure for growth, and inconsistent performance management process. One review on Reddit expressed concern about the company's focus on trendy technologies and potential for pivoting away from Airflow. Some reviews clarify that Astronomer is not a data processing platform, but rather a data orchestration platform for managing workflows. And that has been an honest review of Astronomer IO.